Mabulawan ng adlaw kaninyong tanan. I am Russell Joy Taytay Unido, representing the Little Vegan of Misamis Oriental, Balingasag. I am championing for Sustainable Development Goal 15, Life on Land, focusing my profound love for environmental consciousness and animal welfare. I am grateful to experience firsthand the beauty of Borongan City. I love their food that symbolizes the heritage and identity of Boronganan people. Their warmth, kindness, generosity, and hospitality keeps me coming back for more. Indeed, it is more fun